Hello viewer, Sachet we are going to try and take another shape. Let's use it. Need some different picture here. I will try that design. There it is. A new shape for that. Let's take that visual. Keep making a design there. So this will generate the option here. I will take it. So let's find a red shape. Generate the design.